Keep ironing, keep ironing.
What?
Keep ironing.
I'm not ironing. I'm straightening my jeans out.
Why are you straightening your jeans out?
I don't know. Because I'm bored.
Do you like straightening your jeans out?
Nope. Don't have jeans.
What are they then? Shorts?
No.
Look like shorts for me. Oh yeah, the shorts. Put them on.
Stop it! Oh, yes!
Pissy pants. Paul is an alky. Paul, watch this video I've just taken.